I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Sentra cabin air filter. First, you'll need to locate your glove box on the passenger side of the vehicle. Make sure it's completely empty before you begin. You'll also want to have your new cabin air filter ready, along with any small tools like a screwdriver that might be needed for clips or screws. This ensures a smooth and quick replacement process. Once the glove box is empty, gently press inward on the sides to release the stoppers. This allows the glove box to swing down further, giving you access to the cabin air filter housing. Some models might have a small dampener arm or hinge clips that need to be disconnected first. Take your time with this step to avoid any damage to the plastic components. With the housing exposed, you'll see a cover that typically has clips or small screws. Carefully unfasten these to open the housing. Before pulling out the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for proper installation of the new filter. Insert your new filter, making sure its arrow matches the direction of the old one. After the new filter is in place, securely close the filter housing cover, ensuring all clips or screws are fastened. Then, carefully lift the glove box back into its original position, re-engaging the side stoppers. Don't forget to reconnect any dampener arms or hinge clips you might have detached earlier. Finally, put your items back into the glove box, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.